How's it going, guys? Electron Man. Well, we got another one of these shortwave radios. I can't help myself. I pick them up all the time. Actually, saw a guy selling some stuff off the roadside and stopped and picked this one up. I think I gave $3 for it. So, and it's kind of limited. It's got a looks like 1.6 to 5 megahertz as far as shortwave, and of course it's got your full AM and it's got FM and it's got a public service band, which will get you the weather and the police if you could actually pick it up. You know, it's kind of hard to pick up something like a public, you know, like a sheriff or something, because you know the only time you can pick it up is when they're talking, so you'd have to really know the frequency and tune until you caught them. But anyway, I'm getting off in the woods there, but I hope you enjoy these. I'm getting quite a video collection of these guys now. I've done, golly, I don't know, 20 or 30, and I think I'm going to continue doing them. I really enjoy them, and I'm building me a shelf out in my shop up high that I'm going to display them all on. So it's going to be eye candy, basically. This one here, the only downside is, and I knew it when I purchased it, is it's missing a knob right here. Looking down there, it looks like it's missing everything, and I'm guessing it's probably fine-tuning. I've went out on the internet, and it doesn't have a model number anywhere on this thing. It just says JCPenney solid state. I opened up the back. It does have a tag back here. The tag says JCPenney lot number 1984, and then it's got a UL sticker and a JCPenney company. That's it. There's not another number in here, so I don't know what the model number of this guy is. If somebody knows, they can let me know, but I have no idea what the model number is. I'd like to get a schematic for it. So far, I do know I've plugged it in, and the switches are all real dirty, so we're going to deaux them first. That's the first thing I'm going to do on it. It does appear to, it does appear to work. I'll go ahead and turn it on here, and you can kind of see if we can't get something going here.
The right wave. Go by these.
See how dirty that is, but
Red wave making Joe Biden the next president. Why don't they know how the red wave is supposed to work? What do you...
seems to have a really good AM on it, guys. I'm really happy with it. But obviously these switches need to be cleaned, which we're going to get in there and do here in a second. But I'm not getting any FM, unfortunately. And I've even played around with thinking maybe it's dirty, and I'm just not getting any FM. I am getting the Marine band, they're calling it MB, but it's actually like 1.6 to that. I don't know how much. Seems like there's probably some stuff around here. I'm not getting anything right now. I need to get inside of it, kind of take a look. It's definitely working, though. You can tell. There's too much time on that, really. Main thing is we're going to kind of go over and see if we can't get it working and go from there. So we're going to go ahead and open her up. But, you know, that's basically, it's kind of got like a leather little satchel. Cool thing about this, and it's got a light, except for it's on a momentary switch, which I love the light. The lighted, and it looks like actually they both work too. You can see it now, but yeah, both lights actually still even work on it. Wish it wasn't momentary. Wish you could leave it turned on, but probably because it's battery powered as well is why they made it momentary. But it is and has a lighted dial. But let me go ahead and I'm going to switch camera view around here, and then we're going to go ahead and open it up and see if I can't figure out main thing why FM's not working. AM's working fine, and I'm pretty sure the other one is just, you know, I'm inside of a steel building, as I haven't told you 100 times, so it's kind of hard to get reception in here at times. So, you know, it could just be I need to hook an external antenna up to it and probably work fine. But anyway, let me get you moved around here. Let's open it up and see what this thing looks like on the inside. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and open her up. Looks like it's just got one screw. I love this older stuff. Seems like it's so much easier to access. One screw here, and boom. Oh, wow. This has got a nice tuning coil in here. This is definitely I would call an upgrade. That's definitely, that's the real deal. That's a real aggregate capacitor. That's not one of those little cheap square plastic ones you see in a lot of the newer stuff. So this probably has a pretty good tuning section in it. Boy, how am I going to clean them rheostats? And why am I not getting FM? Let's just go ahead and kind of just do a little playing with it here. Well, look at that, guys. I just opened up. I bet you this is the whole problem right here. That's the antenna. Jeez. Oh boy, I need a service manual. I have no idea where that antenna wire came out of. Oh boy. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Hey, it looks like the FM section's down here, if I'm guessing right. Yeah, that's definitely FM. See if I can use my thumb as a... There you go, there's FM.
Different haunted attraction.
Oh, fun.
Wow, it's gonna be easy fix. Yeah, it's all there. Only wrong with this guy is his the antenna wires broke off. Jeez. Jeez Louise, how am I gonna know where that antenna wire went is the question. Man, oh man. I have no idea. Well, there's a good view of it. It's got a audio transformers there. Well, probably one of them is no, that's your AC transformer right there. These, I'll show you your audio transformers here. God, it doesn't have a lot of electrolytic caps. Looks like it's only got 2 electrolytic. Well, 3. Not a whole lot, boy. This thing would be easy to recap. These are the only caps you got to worry about. And I'm not seeing any spooge on them, so they're probably fine. Yeah, there's less than 5 or 6 electrolytic caps in here, and they're all newer stuff anyway, 85. So probably not going to have to recap it. Looks like really the only issue with it is we got to figure out where that antenna wire goes, and I don't know what I could do with that little fine tune. Probably not even worth it. I mean, it's just a fine tune. You can that's the same tune as your big tune. It just gives you a finer grammar, so you can just use the main tuner. Not a showstopper in all means. Okay, well, I don't know. Tell you what, guys, I'm gonna stop this video for a little while and ponder on this and see if I can figure out where this guy right here goes, because this will make or break it. That's for sure. Man, I'd love to have a schematic on it. Anyway, no model number. How am I supposed to know where to even start to look for it? And man, I went on like online, even like Google pictures, and must be a pretty rare radio because I'm not finding even a picture of it. So anyway, I'll be back, guys. Hey guys, what's a couple hours later, and man, what an Easter egg hunt that was. With no schematic, I could not find it. I kept going in what I thought was the FM section. I mean, I knew this is receive side. And anyway, I'm not even positive I got it, but I'm pretty sure I got it right. It works there, so we're going to go with that. But one little clue I had is this little black piece of tape. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there was nothing behind it. I thought, well, that must have been for tape wire behind it. And the only loose wire in it is that one, so I bet you it was. So I've got a pretty good suspicion that that goes into that little solder joint right there next to that trim. But anyway, we'll go ahead and blow the back of it out and bring it around, camera around, and we'll take a video of it working and give you my thoughts on it. Okay, guys, there she is, all done now. Works pretty good. I'm happy with it. Actually, works really good. It's got a really strong AM on it. I'll show you a quick little demonstration of what it does. Of course, now you can notice how nice and clean that is. I cleaned all the rheostats on it. And the old deoxit, man, you can't beat that stuff, I'll tell you. Wish it wasn't so expensive, but anyway, here you can see the FM band. Now it works great. This is the tip now.
Earn up to 3 times bonus points per dollar on select items. Save.
95.5 Q.
Right when we started, oh, I haven't eaten the candy yet. The old people are going to offer me some candy and pretend that it's sugar-free and trick me.
Oh.
That was what was happening.
$45 until October 31st. $50 thereafter. Young men ages 16 to 18 can register for...
And he experienced having both of his neighbors who were non-Muslim families, left Lahore, left Britain, and of course many millions of Muslims came from India.
As you can see, the FM band now works great. All it needed was an antenna, and it even see if I can get anything here. So the Weather Channel even works. So everything works now. I mean, I really wish I had the little fine tuner there, but considering, I'm pretty happy with it. For $3, I think it's a cool radio, and it's odd. It's an odd one. Never seen one before, so I think it's pretty rare. I don't know how many of them are around, but like I said, I went all over the place and Googled and couldn't even find a picture, much less a model number. So who knows? But it's back when JCPenney and all of the guys made a. I mean, this is a good analog. It's got a real air gap capacitor in it for tuning, a tuning capacitor, I guess you call it. But anyway, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I got more radios coming. I keep finding them here and there, and I figured I'll just create an archive of all these different radios. Who knows, in 20 years, maybe they'll be even more interesting. But anyway, guys, have a great day. This is Electron Man. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and hit that bell so you're one of the next cool videos coming out.